Hey, Amazon seller. I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's Request a Review button. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to cover a simple yet powerful tool for improving your product reviews on Amazon, the Request a Review button. If you're looking to increase the number of reviews for your products, Amazon's Request a Review button is a great way to do it. This feature allows you to request feedback from customers who have recently purchased your product, all while complying with Amazon's review policies. Here's how it works. Log into Seller Central and navigate to the Orders tab. Click on Manage Orders to see a list of all your recent orders. Find the order for which you want to request a review and click on the order number. On the order details page, look for the Request a Review button. This is typically found in the right-hand corner of the page. Once you click this button, Amazon will send a standardized email to the customer asking for a review and feedback on their purchase experience. This email is sent through Amazon, so you're compliant with their policies and guidelines. Remember, you can only use this button once per order, so choose carefully when you send these requests. It's a good practice to use this tool for recent orders where you're confident that the customer has had enough time to use the product and form an opinion. Using the Request a Review button is a straightforward way to boost your reviews without violating Amazon's policies. By asking for reviews in a compliant manner, you help improve your product's visibility and credibility. If you have any questions or need more tips, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.